Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm the Crucial X9 model, capacity, and firmware. This matters for performance and compatibility. Next, plug the supplied USB-C cable into the drive and into a USB 3. 1 or 3. 2 port on your computer, use the adapter if needed. Slower ports limit speed. Once connected, make sure the host OS recognizes the device. Open Disk Utility or Disk Management to view it, and disable Sleep or Power, saving so transfers don't pause mid-copy. Now prepare the drive for use. Format to the file system that fits your workflow. XFAT for Windows and Mac OS interchange, apps for Mac OS only speed and snapshots, or NTFS for Windows. If you need separate volumes, partition accordingly, but remember partitions reduce Mac's contiguous space. For large transfers, use a reliable method. Finder or Explorer for simple copies, or rsync/robocopy for resumable, verifiable transfers. Make sure to eject safely after large jobs. This prevents finish by confirming integrity. Run a quick read test or checksum to ensure files copied correctly, then eject using the operating system's safe eject command and wait for the drive LED or unmount confirmation. Make periodic health checks with smart or crucial utilities to catch degradation early. If the drive is not recognized, troubleshoot stepwise. Swap the cable, try another USB port, check host power settings, and update the drive firmware or host drivers. These steps resolve most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.